Hi Sam. I'm excited for today's lesson. We're going to learn the word
Gut.
Hi Alex.
Gut.
What does that mean?
great question.
Gut.
Means good, and it can also refer to something being well. The most common meaning is simply good. Just be careful, because in some contexts, it can also mean well, which is often confused by English speakers.
Interesting. So can you tell me more about the grammar of
Gut.
Of course,
Gut.
is an adjective, and it's used to describe nouns. For example, you could say,
Das Essen ist gut.
which means the food is good. In the comparative form, you'd say,
Besser. Das Essen ist besser.
means the food is better. And in the superlative, it becomes,
Am besten.
like in,
Das Essen ist am besten.
which means the food is the best.
Wow, I see how that works. What about the past forms?
Since
Gut.
is an adjective, it doesn't have a past tense like verbs do. However, if you're using it in a sentence with a verb, you might say,
Ich habe gut gegessen.
meaning I ate well. The verb
Essen.
is the one that changes tense.
That makes sense. Where does the word
Gut.
come from?
Gut.
Has its origins in Old High German, where it was spelled.
Gut.
It has been around for a very long time, and its meaning has remained quite stable, always referring to something positive or good.
That's really fascinating. How do you break down the word
Gut.
Well
Gut.
is a simple word and doesn't have a prefix or suffix. It stands alone, but you can think of it as being the foundation of many positive expressions in German.
Got it. Are there similar words to
Gut.
Yes, there are several. For instance, you can look at other adjectives with the same pattern. There's,
Schön.
which means beautiful, and in the comparative form, it's.
Schöner.
Then there's,
Hoch.
meaning high, with its comparative as.
Höher.
You can also think about the opposites, like,
Schlecht.
meaning bad, and its comparative.
Schlechter. Schlecht.
is the opposite of.
Gut.
What about compound words?
Good question. There are compounds like
Gutmütig.
meaning good-natured, and
gutheißen,
which means to approve. Each of these compounds has
gut,
as its base, adding meaning to it.
That's cool. Can we practice using
gut,
in some real-life situations?
Absolutely. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You could say,
das Essen ist gut,
which means the food is good. Try saying it.
das Essen ist gut,
Perfect. Another situation could be at work. You might say,
ich habe gut gearbeitet,
meaning I worked well.
ich habe gut gearbeitet.
Nice job. Lastly, if you're with friends after a good movie, you could say,
Der Film war gut.
meaning the movie was good.
Der Film war gut.
Great work, Sam. Now, let's talk about the gender of nouns.
Gut,
Is an adjective, so it doesn't have a gender. But when you use it with a noun, remember that nouns in German have genders, masculine, feminine, or neuter. A little hint is that adjectives can change based on the noun they describe.
That's helpful. Are there any common phrases or collocations with
gut,
Yes. You might hear phrases like,
gut gemacht,
meaning well done, or,
gut drauf sein,
which translates to be in a good mood. Just be careful not to confuse
gut,
with,
gut finden,
meaning to find something good, or,
gut laufen,
meaning to go well.
I see. Can you give me some example sentences with
gut,
Sure. Here are a few.
ist ein guter Lehrer.
Means he is a good teacher. Another one is,
Ich fühle mich gut.
which means I feel good. Then you have,
Das Wetter ist heute gut.
translating to the weather is good today.
Those are great examples.
Here's one more.
Wir haben gut gespielt.
Means we played well. And remember,
Sie hat mir gut geholfen.
means she helped me well.
I'm getting the hang of it. What's the difference between
Gut,
and
schlecht. Gut,
Is positive while
schlecht.
is negative. They are opposites. When you want to say something isn't good, you'd use
Schlecht.
such as in,
Das Essen ist schlecht.
meaning the food is bad.
got it. Can we do a quick recall check on what we've learned?
Sure. First question, what does
Gut,
mean in English?
It means good.
Correct. Second question, what is the comparative form of
gut.
Is it
Besser.
exactly? Third question, where does
Gut.
come from?
Old High German?
Right again. Fourth question, give me a sentence using
Gut.
In the past tense.
I could say,
Ich habe gut gegessen.
Perfect. Last question, what's the opposite of?
Gut.
Schlecht.
Excellent job, Sam. You've really grasped the word.
Gut.
Today. Remember, it's a versatile word that can help you in many situations.
Thanks, Alex. I feel much more confident using it now.
That's fantastic to hear. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next lesson.